Okay, peeps, this is the tomtoc, and I got this around a month or so ago. What's interesting, first thing you need to know that you might not be able to tell from the pictures is that there's two openings. There's the main compartment here, which kind of opens almost like a mini duffel bag. And there's also this little flap here, which is why I'm giving it 4 stars for that, and another reason. But it's a lot of space, 40 liters. I'm gonna be using this, obviously on a plane, which is why I bought it, because I travel with my family. The two, high quality, it all seems to be high quality. I haven't done a lot of traveling with it, but just in terms of experience with backpacks, looking at the material, it's like a strong, what looks like cordura material. You've got the 2 water bottle pockets, one on this side, one on this side. You've got the compression straps. You have a front pocket here, okay, to store gear in. Then you have another pocket up here at the top for passports or iPhones or whatever. And then up here you have the top pocket, right, which is what opens up, in which you can put your computers on this side, which is why I bought it, so that when I'm going through TSA or security, I can just open it up and my computers are there. That being said, it would have been nice in terms of the pockets if there had just been something like some more compartments for like pens, pencils, keys. I'm used to backpacks with a few more compartments. Instead, once again, we have this zipper compartment here. Now this is interesting. This opens up into the main compartment. And you can pull it down just like that with one hand to get in the main compartment, but you can't close it with one hand, but it's got a one-hand opening. And yeah, overall, I'm giving it 4 stars. I'm not exactly sure about that little flap at the bottom here that I showed you about. And again, it could have used some more compartments, but overall, it looks like a very solid, high quality bag, and I am happy with the purchase.
All right, so reviewing this bag, I bought it mainly as a personal item bag because it's one of the few that actually is the right measurements for the airline we like to travel with, Avelo, which has slightly smaller dimensions than all of the other budget airlines. I like high quality bags. I've got a Columbia bag, but I wanted a clamshell so that it could open up. And as you can see, I've got these compression bags, and I counted all of these. I have about 5 days worth of stuff and my camera lens, which I'm going to be bringing as well. So having said that, here's a couple features that I love. I'm never going to be able to do this one-handed. Well, this is really nice. You got this little flappy thing because there's nothing worse than a really flimsy bag that you try to pack stuff in and it doesn't retain its shape. So that's great. You got 2 water bottle sleeves here. Overall, the stitching seems super high quality, and I love all the little extra who's-y, what's-it pockets and all that good stuff. If you need to, you can try to clamp this down a bit tighter. This laptop bag, I can fit my full-size MacBook Pro in. There's 2 sleeves in here, which is pretty swell. There's a lot of padding on the back, but here's a cool feature, is that you get this where you can access the main compartment from the back. If I had to change anything about this bag, it would probably be less padding. It's so much, but should be comfortable. Overall, yeah, I think the stitching is pretty nice. I'm gonna be taking this to a trip to Utah, and we'll see how it fares. Oh, and then yeah, you got an extra little pocket in the top as well. I feel like this thing is more than meets the eye. There's all these pockets that I'm just like discovering, but all right. Anyway, definitely high quality for what it is. Good luck with your purchase. Bye.
So check out, I got actually 5 days worth of clothing put into this little bag. So if I unclip it all, I still haven't actually used this top section or the other soft pockets. But inside of it, because it's a duffel, I've got my big thick hooded sweatshirt. I would actually have my toiletry bag in here, but I don't have it in here yet. I've got one packing cube, which actually holds 5 days worth of pants. So I've got 5 pants in here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The cubes did not come with the bag. I bought those on Amazon as well. They're called Tripped. And then I've got an extra bag to go with me just in case I need it. And then I have another 5 days worth of clothes, which includes my shorts for sleeping in or jogging in, and 5 t-shirts in here, 5 pairs of socks, 5 pairs of underwear, and I still have enough room to be able to pack my laptop and a jacket. So 6'3", 230 plus pounds, and everything for 5 days worth of material will fit great. So in an overhead carry-on. Thank you.